Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch. To connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch, of course, you will need Bluetooth headphones. I have a pair of Sony headphones right here, and I'm gonna use those. Once you have the headphones, go to your watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button or the side button, and after you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and tap on settings icon to enter. On the main off page of settings, scroll down and find the Bluetooth option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, this option. Once it's enabled, you will see list of devices. Now, you will need to enter the pairing mode on your headphones. On the Sony headphones, you basically need to press and hold the power button and keep holding it. And after a couple of seconds, it will enter the pairing mode. And as you can see, my headphones appeared immediately on the list. And if you want to pair the headphones to your watch, tap on the headphones. And after a couple of seconds, it should connect them. As you can see, it says connected, which means that the headphones are connected to your watch. You can also tap on this, on the name of the headphones to see the type of device, and you can tap on disconnect if you want to disconnect them, or you can tap on forget if you want to unpair them from your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect or pair the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.